Different situations require different forms of leadership, even with the same employee. Though there are an incredible amount of leadership styles for leaders to undertake that will successfully encourage and stimulate their employees to achieve a common goal, not all theories are suitable for all situations. Situational leadership is one of these leadership styles, one that will allow you to adapt to changing situations. This is how you can adapt to changing tides through situational leadership. Situational leadership is flexible. It adapts to the existing work environment and the needs of the organization. Situational leadership is not based on the specific skills of the leader. Instead, he or she modifies the style of management to suit the requirements of the organization. One of the keys to situational leadership is adaptability. Leaders need to be able to move from one leadership style to another to meet the changing needs of an organization and its employees. These leaders must have the insight to understand when to change their management style and what leadership strategy fit each new shift. The main advantage of situational leadership is that the model is easy to understand and use. When leaders effectively adapt their leadership style to their followers' needs, work gets done, relationships are built up to everyone's benefit. When employees receive special attention, support, and direction, they feel empowered and respected. As a result, employees are more reliable, more productive, and more engaged in their work. The result is a better, happier workplace for everyone, which in turn yields more profit due to higher productivity. Experts suggest that there are 4 key contextual factors that leaders must be aware of when making an assessment of the situation. These factors include, number 1, leaders need to consider the relationships between the leaders and the members of the group. Social and interpersonal factors can play a role in determining which approach is best. For example, a group that lacks efficiency and productivity might benefit from a style that emphasizes order, rules, and clearly defined roles. A productive group of highly skilled workers, on the other hand, might benefit from a more democratic style that allows group members to work independently and have input in organizational decisions. Number 2, the leader needs to consider the task itself. Tasks can range from simple to complex, but the leader needs to have a clear idea of exactly what the task entails in order to determine if it has been successfully and competently accomplished. The level of authority the leader has over group members should also be considered. Some leaders have power conferred by the position itself, such as the capacity to fire, hire, reward, or reprimand employees. Other leaders gain power through their relationships with employees, often by gaining respect from them, offering support to them, and helping them feel included in the decision-making process. Number 4, leaders need to consider the level of maturity of each individual group member. The maturity level is a measure of an individual's ability to complete a task as well as his or her willingness to complete the task. Assigning a job to an employee who is willing but lacks the ability is a recipe for failure. Being able to pinpoint each employee's level of maturity allows the leader to choose the best leadership approach to help employees accomplish their goals. Situational leadership means choosing the right leadership style for the right people at the right time. We're currently in a time in history where leaders are looking less and less like bosses and more like partners or equals every day. If you're ready to step up and make the change to situational leadership, head over to store.theartofservice.com/situational leadership toolkit, where we can help you unleash your and your business's full potential.